With the workflow capabilities of SOLIDWORKS Enterprise PDM software, your organization can automate approval processes to reduce errors and improve efficiency. For example, you can eliminate many bottlenecks by automating the process of releasing product designs for manufacture and making subsequent design changes, such as generating engineering change orders. To illustrate the workflow, let's log in to SOLIDWORKS Enterprise PDM as a supervisor. We want to see what parts we have to approve today, so we do a search in the Vault under the Workflow tab for files in the state Pending Approval. There are 2 parts that are pending approval. With eDrawings as the viewer, you do not even need to open the files. Once you are satisfied with the changes, simply highlight the files, right-click, and change the state to Approved, adding a comment if required. Our SOLIDWORKS Enterprise PDM workflow has been set up to automatically create a PDF file of the approved drawing. The revision is automatically added, and the drawing number is automatically assigned. At the moment, the assembly that uses the gripper fingers does not have the latest revision. In our workflow, we have locked out designers from editing approved parts until the supervisor creates a new revision. You can do this easily because the easy-to-use interface allows you to select which files need updating to the new revision. To make any changes to the part, you need to check it out. This downloads it to your hard drive. Once you have control of the document, you can edit it, or in this case, just use the associated eDrawings file to show comments to the designer. Next, we need to create a new engineering change notice, ECN. Then we select the relevant project and add a note indicating the change. Our workflow is designed so that it will automatically be filed into that project's ECN folder. Since this relates to the assembly, we can copy and paste as a reference. This will update the document. We will then check in the ECN and SOLIDWORKS files that we had checked out. Now, we must log out from our supervisor role and log in as a designer to complete the workflow demonstration. When you log in, a notice will pop up to inform you of several new notifications. Further notices show you the specific files you need to deal with. You can simply click on the link in the notice to retrieve the file you want to work on. In this case, you will start with the ECN. If you click on the Contains tab, it shows the assembly that it relates to, and you can use this to browse to the assembly. This saves a lot of time over the course of a day, or even weeks. This brings you to the 3D Design Data folder, where you can edit the assembly to open it in SOLIDWORKS and make the required changes.